Hi, and welcome back to another episode of Ian's How to Make Tech Easy. Today it's not really a tech discussion, but you have to be somewhat handy to do what I'm going to do, which is in essence replace the headlight washer jets that you see on the front of a car that keep the headlights nice and clean. I'll show you exactly the change that I'm going to make and how simple it is to do. So here's the headlight, and you can see that it's pretty straightforward. I'm going to have to pick this up with some kind of a like device, Allen wrench perhaps, as my friend has done it. Pull it up, pop it off with a little screwdriver, and then replace it with the black one. So let's get started. So the first step is to pick this sucker up. And we're going to do that now just by pulling this up, provided I can get good leverage on it. Oh, guess not. What a pain in the ass this is. Okay, like that. And this little clip here is what's going to make this pop right off. Like that. And now you have the old one. There we go. Take it off. Pretty straightforward, huh? So now let's put on the new one. Pop it on the same way the old one popped off. And you're now done. Voila! That looks a lot better, don't it, boys? Hoo-wah! And we'll do the next one. So on to number 2. Open up the clip. Just like that. And replace it with the next one in line with the first one. And you want it to face the headlight washer, obviously. It won't go in straight. Voila! Number 2. All done. There we go. Pretty cool, huh? Alright, guys. And please, if you like this short, sweet video, please click like below. Thank you.